guys, in this tutorial we'll discuss how we can purchase premium themes and plugins with a cheap price. So everyone knows that in WordPress there are lots of plugins and themes we need to purchase for some certain cases. So if we go through the original website, then we have to pay a lot of money, right? So there is something else we need to reduce this, and we can easily purchase premium themes and plugins with a very cheap price. So how we can find those? So just go to Google, and there is a that is called plugintheme.net. Okay, so here is the website. You can see plugintheme.net. Just click on here. You can see it's loading. Okay, now here you can see this is the website from where we can get unlimited plugins, unlimited themes, whatever we need. Actually, you can see the yearly membership is $49 and the lifetime membership is $99. So using this we can easily download unlimited plugins, whatever you need. You can see Elementor Pro. If you would like to purchase Elementor Pro, you can see it looks like $4.49, but if we activate our premium members using $10, we can use unlimited plugins for every month. So if you can join the club. If you would like to join the club, you can see there are three packages. One is a $10, another one is $49, and the lifetime is for $99. So lifetime is $99. You can see lifetime free access to all the themes, plugins and updates. Okay, so you can see the reviews, the customer happiness, very satisfied, everything just perfect. You can see the WordPress plugin area. Here you can get all the plugins. Okay, commerce plugin, you can get this one, WC vendors. You can see W vendors Pro. Okay, and themes, you can get a lot of themes from here. Body press, you can see there are a lot of themes are available. So this is the website plugintheme.net. Here we can get a lot of themes and plugins with very cheap price. Okay, everything is there. Every plugins and themes we can easily get here once we activate our membership, and it's very cheap price. So you can see the website name is plugintheme.net. Okay, thank you.